Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Solvly AI, an AI-powered homework helper that's been making waves in 2025. If you're a student looking for a smart way to tackle assignments, this might be the tool for you. Solvly AI, found at macro.com, promises to simplify studying with its advanced problem-solving features. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. First, the positives. Solvly AI supports a wide range of subjects, from math and science to literature and history. Its AI is fast and accurate, providing step-by-step solutions that help you understand the process, not just the answer. The interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy to upload questions or type them in. Plus, it offers 24/7 assistance, which is a lifesaver for last-minute homework crises. Now, the downsides. While the free version is decent, some advanced features require a subscription, which might not be ideal for everyone. The AI occasionally Solvly offers GMAT prep plans with AI live tutor support. Pricing 1 month $99, 50% off. 3 months $2049, 6 months $399, 66% off. All plans include unlimited access and target score improvements, e.g. plus 80 to plus 200 points. A 3-day free trial is available for each. Struggles with highly complex or niche questions, so it's not perfect for every subject. Also, relying too much on it could hinder your learning if you don't put in the effort to understand the solution. Overall, Solvly AI is a powerful tool for students, but it's best used as a supplement to your studies, not a replacement for learning. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and education content. Let me know in the comments, have you tried Solvly AI? What was your experience? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.